Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of backup power with generator and transfer switch installations. Whether you're installing a standby generator for a home or a commercial building, it's essential to follow the proper NEC guidelines for safe and compliant installations. Let's break down what you need to know. This video is brought to you by Positive Electricians, your go-to experts for electrical installations, repairs, and EV charger setups. Visit positiveelectricians.com for more info. Let's start with NEC Article 702, which covers alternate power sources including generators and transfer switches. Whether you're installing a portable generator or a permanently installed standby generator, this article outlines the requirements for safe and reliable backup power systems. First, let's talk about the transfer switch. NEC 702.11 specifies that a transfer switch must be installed between the main service panel and the generator to safely switch between utility and backup power. The transfer switch prevents backfeed into the grid, which could cause damage to the utility system or pose a hazard to utility workers. There are two main types of transfer switches. Manual transfer switches require you to manually switch the system between utility and generator power. Automatic transfer switches, or ATS, do this automatically when the system detects a power outage, switching seamlessly from the utility to the generator without you having to lift a finger. When installing a transfer switch, make sure it's in a readily accessible location and properly rated for the amperage of the generator. NEC Article 702.6 requires that the transfer switch be rated for at least the maximum load that the generator can handle. Next, let's talk about generator placement. NEC Article 702.10 outlines the requirements for placing your generator in a well-ventilated location, away from windows, doors, and vents. This ensures that exhaust gases are safely vented away from the building and reduces the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Proper generator wiring is crucial for safe operation. NEC Article 250 covers the grounding and bonding requirements for the generator system. It's important to ensure that the generator frame and transfer switch are properly grounded to avoid electrical shock hazards. You must also use the correct size wire and conduit to handle the generator's output, which can range from 5,000 watts to several 100,000 watts, depending on the system. Grounding and bonding are especially important for generators. The NEC 250.34 requires that the generator be properly grounded and bonded to ensure there is no electrical potential difference between the generator and the system. This prevents shock hazards and ensures that any fault currents are safely carried to the ground. Before finishing up, always test the system. This means checking the generator's ability to start automatically and ensuring that the transfer switch functions properly. NEC 702.8 specifies that a generator system should undergo testing before being put into operation to verify that all connections are secure and that the system performs as expected. To sum it up, installing a generator and transfer switch system requires careful planning and adherence to NEC Articles 702 and 250. By following these guidelines, you ensure a safe, reliable, and code-compliant backup power system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrical tips and NEC breakdowns. Got questions about generator installations? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Need professional electrical services? Contact Positive Electricians at positiveelectricians.com or call us at 844-411-0240. We're here to power up your home and business.